Hello guys, I'm your lady Akinyi and these are my limitless accounts, my limitless accounts. So welcome to this channel. Feel free, enjoy my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. It's actually free. Imagine, free of charge. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share if you find it interesting, and share it with your neighbor or your friends. I know they are enjoyable. Secondly, what am I supposed to say? Stay tuned. Love you. Hello guys, currently I'm getting ready for Otis Janam film, which will be screening in KCC at around 7 p.m. and this is what I'm going to dress in or put on. It is a plain maroon dress that I'm planning to add some details so that I can get the Luo glam that I'm looking for, and then maybe do something with my hair. So I want you guys to dress up with me for this thing and you tell me how I look. I'm just trying to look for my wires so that I can light up my ring light. Unfortunately, I can't find my wires, and yesterday I had them by me. So weird. So dress up with me. Let me put on the essentials first and then we proceed. Okay? As I was telling you, this dress is plain. It's a plain dress. So I want to add this bow on it so that it can have that Luo elegance. Yeah, so I tied it and now it's time to attach it. You see, this is the look I'm going for. So to attach it, I have to do it inside out. This. Then imagine I bought nimebaiuzi na imedecide to play hide and seek, so sina your time. So for now I'll just use what I have until I get it, till I find it. So giving it. So I think what I need again is another pin to add to this end and then to this end. I need a pin to tie it. Okay, sasa kauzi kameenda wapi? My time is running out, so let me just put it on first and then I show you the look. A minute. This is it. Oh wait, I'm sending it away or what? Okay, this is the look. You see, this is the dress. Let me just panda here. You can see this is the dress. It is short. At the back, this is how it looks like. So I think I just need to work on the back a little bit so that I can get that lower glam. Another thing I'm supposed to work on this, my hair. Let me just adjust this a little bit. Yeah, so what something else that I'm supposed to work on is my hair. So first thing, I have to oil it. Let me just bring. I need two things: oil and the ankara for it. So this is what I have, and I'm going to do this. I was told this oil helps to untangle the weave. Ati isishikane. By the way, you guys, while I'm doing this, let me just tell you a story. I didn't know that some Luo men are actually threatened or intimidated by the success of their women or their wives, that is. The reason why I'm saying this, there's a day I boarded matatu. It's kind of wider. There's a day I boarded matatu, and where I live, it's a metropolitan town. So yeah, so I boarded matatu, and then there was this guy who was so loud, as if he wanted everyone to hear him out, as if he was screaming out to the universe. And first thing, I think he was talking about a guy who married two wives. A guy who married two wives, and it happened that the second wife decided to do an investment without informing the husband, without the husband knowing what's going on. So the guy was like, nowadays the guy doesn't visit the second wife. Why? Because the woman did something that is so awful. And I was like, I was really, really eager to hear that, because he was talking in my mother tongue. He was a guy from my community, which is Luo. And I was waiting to, my curiosity. My tea usually say that I'm kind of nosy, but I don't think I'm nosy. So the guy said that the guy they were talking about, or yeah, is no longer going to visit the second wife, because the second wife decided to invest without informing the husband. And what he said is that a woman who does such a thing without telling the husband is a threat, because that woman can do something bad. Yeah, that is a woman who can do something bad to a man. So every investment that you do, you need to inform your husband. What I heard from the conversation was that the woman bought a pickup and a parcel of land without informing the husband. The husband didn't know. So I think he came to know about it later on, when everything was going on. The business, I think the woman did that for investment purposes. So he came to find out that the woman has a secret investment. So so it was an issue. So I was like, honey, what's wrong with investing secretly? I think this guy, for me, I thought the guy was supposed to be proud of the woman for doing such a thing, such a big thing for the family, because it's more of security for the family. But to my surprise, from what I got from the conversation, was that the guy wasn't happy about it. And I think, maybe, I don't know if they're divorced, but the guy is no longer visiting the second wife's home because of the secret investment that was done by the second wife without him being informed. So that's that. So I'm just wondering, is it a bad thing to invest without informing your partner? Is it a wrong thing? Is it a wrong thing to invest without informing your partner? Just a question. Is it a wrong thing to invest without informing your partner that you're putting some money somewhere for business? Is it a wrong thing? Because for me, I'll hide it. I think I'll hide it. If I don't trust you, I'll hide it. If maybe you're not as serious as I thought you were before we met, also I'll hide my future plans. And if you're one person who is cheating, even if for a second, if definitely the guy is a cheater, because the guy decided to marry you as a second wife, so it means that the guy is a big cheat. So if a guy is a big cheat and he doesn't want to make some financial a financial progress and a financial growth, what do? So you just take care of your own, Ama. So I really found that conversation to be kind of absurd in a sense that it was something that haikuwa ina make sense, that is. Yeah. So I don't know, what do you think about this look? This is what I'm going with. I think this is it. So this is what I'm going with. It looks like a bow. Yeah, it looks like a bow, and then here on top it's just open like that, but it is giving me that fabulous vibe. You know, the dress code is Luo Glam, and I was like, what is this Luo Glam? And what I found, hey, something. So those, you know, those pictures are Lwanda Magere and the soldiers with the gears, with the headgears and the mikukis. That is what I found. So for me, I assume that being Luo Glam is just putting on expensive, just look expensive. So I think this is an expensive look. I'm sure this is an expensive look. So this is my Luo Glam. This is my Luo Glam. Yeah. So I love the blue. I love the blue color. The Ankara is giving a good vibe. What do you think? It's giving a good vibe. And there's a church nearby that is people are really busy praising God. Because I don't want to sweat, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I don't want to sweat. So an essential thing also is a wristwatch. I think every woman needs this as a part of accessories. So I'm gonna put on this wristwatch. I needed a black one. I needed a black one, but unfortunately I got not so black. I love the not so black one, because the black one I didn't like it when I saw it. So I said, and it's not original. I bought it today. It's wearing, what the F? So this is it. My neck piece is going to be this one. I'm going to put on this one because this is the only neck piece that I love most. So it makes me feel closer to this to the person who gifted me. And then small earrings. The church. We live in a noisy estate. And then I'm going to put on a stocking and boots. The thigh boots. Yeah, I'm going to put on thigh boots. I don't know why this side always. Okay. Pause it. And this is going to be my final bag. This is going to be the bag I'm going to carry while this is the bag that I'm going to carry. So I think it's not yet a complete look, but it's a look that is coming through. So I think I'll just post it. I'll post a complete video that the way I look, or a picture, so that you can see. But you guys, I'm really excited for this adventure that I'm about to take in a few minutes. So let me just hurry up because it's almost 5. I want to get there mapema so that I can mingle and get the best seat that I can, you know. So stay tuned. Don't just stay tuned. Love you.
Mpenzi wangu nakupenda, nahisi baby hii ndio mwanzo, you and me baby, kwa hii safari. Usije baby kunipoteza, pahala pa fahari. Nahisi kwamba hii ndio mwanzo yetu baby, just you and me, it's our time girl. Nitakutunza my baby, yeah. Nakukanyaga usije baby kunilaumu, ni raha mpenzi na sukari tele, uchungu nayo mi ndio daktari na kutibu. Masherio, my baby yo, jaerana, winjerana, jaerana.